हाय गाइस, आई होप सब ठीक होंगे, अच्छे होंगे पेंडेमिक टाइम में। मेरे पास एलेक्सा इको डॉट है फ्रॉम मोर देन अ ईयर। एंड रिसेंटली मैंने गूगल का नेस्ट मिनी परचेज़ किया है। एंड मेरे को दोनों का फेयर अमाउंट ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस है, सो आई थॉट मैं अपना एक्सपीरियंस आप लोगों के साथ भी शेयर करता हूँ। बेसिकली द की डिफरेंसेस विच कैन हेल्प यू बाय ईदर ऑफ दीज टू डिवाइसेस इन केस अगर आप देख रहे हैं कि कौन सा डिवाइस लेना चाहिए या कौन सा बेटर है इन दोनों में से। सो चलिए, सो मोस्ट ऑफ द फीचर्स कॉमन ही है दोनों में। आई मीन आप मोस्ट probably will be using it for listening to music and lesser of the times आप इसके साथ इंटरेक्ट करने की कोशिश करेंगे। सो मोर और लेस अगर म्यूज़िक की बात करें या इंटरेक्शंस की बात करें तो एक्सपीरियंस ठीक ठाक रहेगा, सिमिलर रहेगा, ज़्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं रहेगा। एंड दीज आर दी बेस्ट इंटरेक्टिव डिवाइसेस अराउंड 2000 टू 3000 की रेंज में जो मिलेंगे आपको। अगर अभी आप कोई स्कीम्स में लेते हैं तो देन यू कैन गेट इट अराउंड 2000 रुपीज़ टू अपर लिमिट ऑफ 3000 टू 3500। सो लाइक आई सेड, मोटा मोटा सिमिलैरिटीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा है ये डिवाइसेस में, और बट कुछ डिफरेंसेस भी हैं जो कि आप लोगों को कंसिडर करने चाहिए वाइल चूजिंग बिटवीन वन ऑफ दीज डिवाइसेस अगर आप देख रहे हैं। सो मैं पहले बात करूंगा एलेक्सा इको डॉट की। ये डिवाइस मेरे पास 1.5 साल के आसपास से है। सो आई विल जस्ट शेयर सम ऑफ द एडवांटेजेस जो मेरे को इस प्रोडक्ट में दिखे। सो द पहला, द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट वन आई थिंक फॉर मी एटलीस्ट इज़ द लुक्स डिपार्टमेंट। सो लुक्स के केस में दिस डिवाइस लुक्स वेरी गुड, स्पेशली द वाइट कलर एंड द एलईडी रिंग जो उसके ऊपर है। प्लस देर आर 4 बटन। सो अगर आप दूर से भी इस डिवाइस के साथ कम्युनिकेट करते हो तो देर इज़ अ रिंग विच ग्लोज इन ग्रीन और ब्लू कलर एंड इट रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड द सर्कमफ्रेंस। सो वो बहुत अच्छा फील देता है। एंड इफ़ यू पुट इट इन अ डाइनिंग रूम और सम प्लेस वेयर अदर्स कैन ऑल्सो सी दिस एंड व्हेन दे इंटरेक्ट विद दिस, सो दे ऑल्सो लाइक दिस। So in looks department, I feel this one is little better than Google. Google, I mean, ठीक है, this is an no complaint device. I would say the uh, average, even the build quality wise, I found Alexa to be better. I mean, उसका weight भी Alexa का 50% ज़्यादा है from Google. So in a way, I feel that स्टडीनेस वाइज देखा जाए या प्रीमियमनेस वाइज देखा जाए, सो दिस प्रोडक्ट इज़ लिटिल बेटर देन दी गूगल वन। सो दिस इज़ वन एडवांटेज विच आई realized or I found that Alexa has over Google. Next is another hardware feature, which is you'll see that we have this 3.5 mm output jack. Basically अगर आपको फ़ोन या कोई भी इनपुट डिवाइस इधर कनेक्ट करेंगे, सो यू कैन यूज़ दिस एलेक्सा एज अ स्पीकर। आप इसमें ब्लूटूथ से भी कनेक्ट करके अपने फ़ोन के साथ सॉन्ग्स चला सकते हो। इन गूगल आपको ये फीचर नहीं मिलेगा। सो दिस डज नॉट हैव एनी वायर्ड कनेक्टिविटी through your phone or your speakers or your audio devices which you would be using historically. So the only way to use this is Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. In this case you have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth as well as this 3.5 mm jack, so little advantage over Google. Next is this is again my experience, is the wake up command. So we call it, or हम बोलते हैं इसको Alexa. In Google you have to say okay Google. So and I have realized that not only me but even my family members, they also have some hiccups while saying okay Google, but in this Alexa they have no issues. So I mean, when we interact a lot with these devices, so this one has little more or little better feel to it while interacting, because again and again saying okay Google, it's a lengthy word and there are 2 words. So yeah, I mean, that ways I found Alexa to be better. I tried if I can change the wake up commands of these devices, but I could not. And let me know if you guys found a way to find the commands or the way to change those wake up commands. So these are the some of the advantages which I found of Alexa. So I'll just repeat them. One is the looks department. Second is the feel or the premiumness of the device. So this feels better. And then third one is the 3.5 mm jack, which is not present on Google. And the next one is the wake up commands. So these are the five things which are the four things which I found to be better on Alexa. Another thing to note which is different between these two devices, it's not a better or a worse thing, but it's just different. So with this Alexa device, if you are having Amazon Prime account, you will get better feel or better services. In this case, if you are having YouTube Premium services, then you will be able to take better advantage of this product. So these are two different hardwares. When combined with the services or subscriptions that you have, you can reap the benefits. So yeah, this is on Alexa. Now I'll talk about I will again talk about the advantages or the differences between these two devices from the perspective of Google. So the first one is that this product has a better application, be it in terms of interaction or be it in terms of communicating with this device. So I found that the Google Home app is way better than the Alexa app. Now this is again my personal experience. It may vary between or among us. So it's up to you guys to figure out. You can actually try out the apps and figure out if what you find better. But that's not a big deal. Second one, which I think is a big deal, is the Google Duo calling. Now Google, as you know, has a Duo application which is seamlessly integrated across its applications. I think now it is also integrated with Gmail. So using this device and the Wi-Fi connection, you can actually call your contacts and they will be able to seamlessly connect with you over the Wi-Fi voice call. That's not the case with Alexa. In Alexa, you can call over Wi-Fi, but the other person needs to have the Alexa application installed, right? So which is I don't think is a great probability. While in case of Google, most of us who are using Google services will have the Google Duo app, but I don't think those many people, or even the near there is not even a near number of people who will have the Alexa app. So this using this device, you can seamlessly connect with a lot of folks over Wi-Fi, and I think that's a great feature. Next one is again basically related to the device itself. So you can hang this device on wall vertically, and there's a place here where you can use to hang this device. That's not the case on Alexa. You can only place Alexa like this, that's all. But in Google you get this option. So yeah, in certain cases I think in certain areas it will be helpful. So an additional feature, but yeah, I mean that's up to you guys if you find this is way more useful. By the way, I have not hanged this device on wall. So don't found that opportunity to do, or don't think that it is useful for me. So anyways, right, so now we will move to the next feature of Google, which I found is better than that of Alexa, and that is of utilizing multiple commands. So you can ask more than one question to Google and it will answer, but that's not the case with Alexa. Alexa will struggle to answer more than one questions which you ask in one go. So I'll ask a question to Alexa and I'll ask the same question to Google, and you can understand that what I mean by that. So currently both these mics are muted because when I'm talking and making this video, I don't want the interaction to happen with this device. So first I'll talk to Alexa. I'll ask the question. Alexa, what is the weather today and who is the Prime Minister of India?
There are totally 14 Prime Ministers of India: Jawaharlal Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri,
Alexa,
Indira Gandhi.
Stop. So as you can see, I asked two questions. Alexa skipped the first question and then also did not properly answer the second question. Anyways, I'll ask the same question to Google. Let's see how this answers.
The microphone is back on.
Okay, Google, what is the weather today and who is the Prime Minister of India?
Wednesday in Newtown, there'll be scattered thunderstorms with a high of 34 and a low of 27. According to Wikipedia, the Prime Minister of India is the leader of the executive of the Government of India. The Prime Minister is the chief advisor to the President of India and the head of the Union Council of Ministers. The mic's off.
As you can see, Google may not give the correct answer. At least it answers both the questions. So that ways, I think the optimization of this device is better than that of Alexa. Now coming to the conclusion, like I said, if you buy both these devices, you will eventually use them for listening music most of the times. I use it more than 95% of times to listen to music, and then 5% is interactions, and maybe sometimes even less than that. Most of the interactions also happen to ask these devices to play this song or that song, etc., rather than asking them the questions. Just to summarize, I think if you guys are looking for looks and little bit better hardware and premiumness of the device, I feel that the Eco device is a better. But if you are looking at the usability of the product over the visual appeal or the aspect, then I think Google is a better product over Amazon Alexa. So that's all, guys, and I think if you wait for some of the sales, etc., you can get both these devices from 2000 to 3000 range. So I think nothing is wrong. You can buy either of these devices and I'm sure you will be happy. So all right, that's all from my end. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.